Take a look at the Move It All bag. It has reinforced straps and handles that make this large hands-free tote the perfect tote for transporting bulky loads. You can use it as a laundry bag or storage for seasonal clothes like sweaters and coats. It's even great for storing large linens and bedding. You can carry it by the backpack straps for instant overnight luggage or use it to haul sports equipment to games and practices. Plus, the drawstring closure at the top helps to be able to make it even roomier to overstuff it and then collapse it when it's empty. All right, so let me show you the inside here. There's a ton of room inside this tote. Okay, it has that drawstring closure, and it even has a pocket here on the front to be able to use, and then backpack straps to be able to put it over your shoulders to make it easy for carrying. Again, this is our Move It All bag.